Hello, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing today of a product that I just got. I'm pretty excited about it. It's a small 4-inch chainsaw. And let me get to doing the unboxing here. The box showed up in really good condition. Looks really nice. Everything looks good. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so inside of the box, some packing, and Saker in another nice looking box with the shipping label. And this is the mini electric chainsaw. And let's open this now. It's got a plastic wrapper on it. And this box looks really good. It's got some information on the outside. And it looks like it comes with a blade, some oil, the battery, and charger, and the actual chainsaw itself. All right, so here I am again. Got a little noisy. I had to stop the video for a second. But anyway, box looks really good. It's got some info on it about the product itself. And there you go. And now let's get to opening this thing. All right, so it's got the charger, handy. It's got a little lanyard attached to the mini chainsaw, and a little guard on the mini chainsaw. That looks pretty good. And then the battery in bubble wrap, a little screwdriver, and a little wrench, and a small bottle of lubricating oil, and then the actual directions, quick start manual. So I have a feeling that this is not charged up yet, but let's just see how this battery looks. And get it unwrapped here. Okay, battery slips in very much in the same style as a Makita battery, and there it goes. And what I'll do is I'll do another video later down the road, but just wanted to do an unboxing video. It feels really good. Has a good sound to it. It looks sharp. I have a feeling this is going to be a nice little pruning saw, or maybe even some small carving. So anyway, it looks like a good unit from Saker, and the Saker 4-inch mini electric chainsaw. Thanks for watching. If you like, please click subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you out there again soon. Hopefully I'm going to get back to wood turning, but for now I'm still not doing any wood turning. But I did want to do a little review on this product and an unboxing. All right, let's do a quick little sample here. This is about a 1.5 to 1 3/4 inch plum tree branch. And I'm just going to come in right here. Nice clean cut. Nice little blade. And I made a real quick job of pruning that 1 3/4 inch branch of plum, which is not soft, it's not super hard either, but it's wet and it cut right through it.